Hello students, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will continue my discussion about some various professions that you may have chosen as your career, including how to become, their opportunities, salaries and much more. So today's discussion will be about careers in Indian Army. The Indian Army is the largest and the oldest branch of the Indian Armed Forces. It trains the individuals to fight on land and consists of various divisions including the infantry, the artillery, the armored corps, etc. Besides these combat divisions, the support division in the army includes the supply corps, the engineers, the ordnance supply corps, military intelligence and medical staff, etc. The primary responsibility of the army is to safeguard the geographical boundaries of the country and to capture enemy territory in the event of a war. The army training includes both offense and defensive operations. In addition to the primary responsibility, the army is also called upon at peacetime to aid in relief and rescue operations during natural calamities and for counter-insurgency. The career opportunity available with Indian Army is enormous. Nowhere else you will get such phenomenal opportunities to constantly upgrade your skills. The Army recruits candidates both for its technical and non-technical branches. There are many ways of getting selected in the Indian Army depending on your age and educational qualifications. There are mainly two different ways of recruitment. First is the National Defence Academy or the NDA. If you have completed 10+2, you undergo 3 years of training at NDA Kharakwasla, Pune, followed by one more year at Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. 17 to 20-year-old men can apply if they have completed their 12th standard. It is mandatory to have studied physics and maths for applying to Air Force and Navy, while there is no such requirement for the Army. Courses start twice a year, in January and in July. After training, you will receive a BSc or BA degree from JNU. Second is the 10+2 Technical Entry Scheme or TEST 10+2. In this procedure, you undergo 1 year of training at Officers Training Academy or OTA, Gaya, followed by 4 years of further training at Cadet Training Wings, CTWS, based in Pune, Mhow or Secunderabad. 17 to 20-year-old men can apply if they have completed their 12th standard with physics, maths and chemistry and having scored at least 70% aggregate. Courses start twice a year, in January and in July. After training, you will receive a BTech degree from JNU. So now let's talk about the eligibility criteria for joining the Indian Army. The unmarried male candidates who have passed 10+2 with PCM subjects and fulfill the eligibility for the grant of permanent commission in the Indian Army after 5 years of technical military training with the prescribed terms and conditions are invited from time to time through advertisement in the employment news and other prominent national dailies. Minimum height should be 137 cm with correlated height and proportionate chest with minimum 5 cm expansion and unaided distant vision between 6:12 and 6:18. Now let's see how to apply. Application for a particular position should be made to appropriate authority. The advertisement in this respect is published from time to time in the employment news and in several leading national and regional local dailies. The individuals may either be selected for short service commission or for permanent commission. A permanent commission means a career in the army till you retire. For a permanent commission, you have to join the National Defence Academy or the Indian Military Academy. Apart from these recruitments under short service and permanent commission, the Army conducts rallies at various centers all over the country for selecting candidates to various ranks available in its various divisions. The main objectives of the Indian Army are: make a contribution towards nation building, support in maintaining internal security of the country, manage security interventions and secure the border, plan maneuvers, assign duties and communicate effectively with other staff, command and train and lead subordinate personnel, monitor the welfare and progress of new recruits, operate and maintain welfare systems, equipments, and vehicles, take on specialist duties and skills such as engineering, air traffic control, training, and administration, distribute equipment, resources, and manpower as per instruction from the superiors. Army professionals get lucrative remuneration for a great lifestyle. Salary of an individual depends on the rank he or she holds. Stipend during training is Rs 8,000 per month to all IMA and OTA gentlemen cadets. People who are passionate about serving the nation and wish to contribute towards maintaining national peace can opt for a career in the Indian Army. The Indian Army has more than 1.2 million active personnel. It is empowered with latest armament which includes tanks, self-propelled guns, armored fighting vehicles, artillery, and multiple rocket launch systems. The zeal, enthusiasm, and desire to serve the nation can be fulfilled by joining the Indian Army. So, if you want to join the Indian Army and serve your nation, wishing you all the very best. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell to never miss further updates. Thanks for watching.